Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Hydrocyanic acid and water react in equilibrium. Compare their strengths using given constants to identify the correct statement quickly. First, look at the acid dissociation constant for hydrocyanic acid, which is 6.2 times 10 to the negative 10th. This value is much larger than the water constant. Since the acid constant for hydrocyanic acid is greater than the water constant, it means hydrocyanic acid is a stronger acid than water. This helps us evaluate the base strengths next. As hydrocyanic acid is the stronger acid, its conjugate base, cyanide, is a stronger base than water. This confirms option C is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and trust given values to find the strongest base correctly.